Hey, welcome back to my channel. It's Christina at Homeschooling Grace, and today is the unboxing video. It's so big. I don't even think I can lift it up to show you in. So I'm super excited to share this with you. This is from My Father's World. And to start with, we're going to be using, for the fall, Exploration to the 1850s for my 6th and 3rd grader. That seems crazy. I'm going to be teaching 1st grade, pre-K, and preschool a little bit. So there's a lot in here. This does not include all of the curriculum we'll be using. I'll be doing separate videos of our curriculum picks for the fall coming up soon. But this is just what I ordered. And so some exciting news for the channel is that if you saw my last unboxing video for last fall for 2019, I guess it was 2019. No, 2020 to 2021. Get my dates right. Yes, for 2020 and 2021. I was in partnership with My Father's World, and I got a small discount for just talking about them on YouTube, which was just totally awesome, and I'm so grateful for that. Well, this year the partnership is continuing, and I'm super excited about that, and there's going to be some other fun, new, exciting things that are coming with part of this partnership this year that I'm not going to tell you quite yet, but hopefully soon I'll be sharing more with you. And it's just a really exciting opportunity, and I'm excited to share it with you. So if you're new here, I'm a homeschooling mom to 5 daughters, ages 11, if I can remember all their ages, 11, 8, 6, 4, and 2. And we have been homeschooling for this fall will be 6 years. And we have used My Father's World. It'll be for 6 years. And we just love the curriculum. I always get the complete deluxe sets. And so let's dive in. Let's dive into the box. Who's excited? Okay, so to start out with, you get, I only have one right here now, but you get 3 or 4 catalogs to share with friends. And so it makes it super fun. You can see what's coming, it's just, a catalog's always fun. See what's new that they have. So always go through that. Okay, so we've already looked through this, so it's a little jumbled, but we'll just get to it, okay? So to start with, this is my kid's favorite part. I'm gonna somehow shift this over. I feel like I'm hiding behind it. There we go. Ugh. There we go. I think this will work. I'll eventually tuck this in when I can. Okay, so to start with, we got 2 sets of the U.S. President flashcards. My girls are super excited about this. They love learning about the presidents. Like I said, it's a little bit of a mess because we went through it already. Okay, I got the complete book of animals. This is for she'll be in 3rd grade. So this will be kind of just for fun, for science. She can read the stories, do the coloring pages, do the little questions. I think she'll really enjoy that. Okay, I got a new Peter and the Wolf CD because ours somehow got damaged, and so last year it didn't work very well, so I was like, I need to get a new one. So I got a new one, and I'm excited about that. Okay, I got the next language lessons for today. So this is for grade 6. So part of the partnership is yours might look different. Yours is probably spiral bound where mine is not. So I may get mine spiral bound because I like it spiral bound, but we'll see. Ooh, but look at Princess and the Pea. I have always really enjoyed language lessons, and so we just keep going. So I won't have the 3rd grade, the 3rd grade won't be in the box because I already own it. Okay, next, George Washington's World. So this is by the same people that did, I believe, what's it called? I gotta look now. I think Julius Caesar's World. And my oldest really liked that book. I know not all kids really like it, but mine really did. And so, oh yeah, it looks just like it. So she's pretty excited to have the next one. Okay, I got them each. I can't find the other one. Okay, I got them each the Zahner Blosser handwriting. This is cursive. So it's technically for 3rd grade. We tried this in 3rd grade with my oldest, and she didn't really enjoy it because she didn't really want to learn cursive then. But now she wants to learn cursive, so I think we're going to have a much more successful time. So I ordered one for each of the girls so they can do it together, and I think it'll be more fun for them. Maybe a little healthy competition, learning it together. Okay, so here is the complete 1st grade, the student workbook for 1st grade, so Learning God's Story. And again, mine's not spiral bound, but I probably will get it. Yours is probably spiral bound. But it's just the workbook. And if you're interested at all in like how how I've taught 1st grade and used the curriculum, I'll link up here a playlist of all I did weekly updates while we were teaching 1st grade, and I'm working through them to put like chapters in it and timestamps so that if you're interested in the 1st grade and already like seeing what we did, you can go back and look. And there's also some review videos on that playlist, so that'll be up there. Okay, continuing. Like I said, this is kind of a jumble, but you'll see it's mainly 1st grade and the exploration to 1850. Okay, so we got a wall map. It's ready to frame. I might frame it this year. That might be kind of fun. We'll see. Okay, writing a state report. So this is kind of neat. It gives like early facts, statehood history, and then like a song and poem. You make a license plate, resources. Let's see here. I'm not sure exactly how this works. I mean, I'm assuming they'll write a state report, unless you're just reporting on the state in here. Oh, I think you're doing the research and everything. So that'll be really fun. I bet she will really enjoy that, because she just loves history and all that. Okay. Oh, I'm sorry. That was for my 6th grader. Okay. So here are the student sheets for 1st grade. Okay, so I'm going to finish out 1st grade. Okay, we've got the Bible notebook. And if you haven't seen that before, it's just where they draw the picture up here and then they'll write about it down there. Okay, and then continuing with 1st grade, I had to get a new Bible reader because ours got really beat up. So I got us a new one because we have a strange cat that likes to chew up paper, and so if we leave like a book like this open, she'll chew the pages up, and she totally like destroyed one of the stories in our old one because she like literally ate the paper. She's a really weird cat. Okay. So one more thing for 1st grade are the Enjoying Art Together pages. Again, one of our cards got damaged, and so I just decided to order a whole new set. And now that I have a laminator, I think I'm going to laminate them to keep them really nice because I really like these. Okay, moving on. Here is the teacher's manual, Exploration to 1850. And so this is a 1-year program. It says for 4th through 8th graders, and a 2nd or 3rd grader, 2nd or 3rd graders can use it also. So we're going to be doing it for both of them. And I will share in another video, I have all the books from Adventures in U.S. History for 2nd and 3rd graders because I taught that when my oldest was in 2nd grade. And so what's nice is that you may not use the teacher's manual, but you'll reuse all the books. And so we're going to be doing that for my oldest, or for my 3rd grader this fall. And I think it will explain it in here how we'll use each of them. Okay, yeah. Sorry, I was looking for... So see here on this page, it shows that there's a 2nd and 3rd grade supplement. So like we'll read North American Indians for a week during week 2. And then she'll use her Book of Animals down here for classification and all that. So that will be the supplement for her, and then my 5th grader. So we'll see how that goes. I haven't had to do the supplement before yet, so it's going to be a whole new year of learning in that way. Okay, so we have Exploring Creation with Botany. So this, I think we used one of these. I think this was a lot like the one from creation to the Greeks, I think the science in that one, but I could be wrong. So this will be fun to give a try. I think they'll like botany. Okay, so then here's student sheets, exploration to 1850, and I'll get the second set. Student sheets. My pile over here is getting large. I think I'm gonna have to shift some down. All right, this box is so big. Okay, well, let's see here. How do I want to do this next? There are a bunch of read alouds, so I think I'm just gonna start pulling them out, and I'll show them to you. So we have Mary Jones and her Bible. Looks like a fun one. Amos Fortune, Free Man. Almost Home. William Carey. My kids love these books. Bound for Oregon. Okay, The Story of the World. So this is volume 3. They're really liking volume 2. Okay, Then Sings My Soul. 150 of the world's greatest hymn stories. Madeline Takes Command. That looks like a fun one. Doesn't that look fun? My girls are going to love that. Okay, now these are more for history. So we've got Building a City on a Hill. So this looks more like, yeah, this is going to just be a history book. So that'll be fun. Okay, then we have In God We Trust. My oldest was super excited about this. So she's kind of a nerd like me, and we get really excited about curriculum. So she saw on someone else's YouTube channel that they had this book, and she was like, I cannot wait, Mom, we're going to get that book too. So she was really excited about it. So it looks like it'll be a fun one. Boy, Have I Got Problems. So this is, this is an inductive Bible study going through the book of James by Kay Arthur and Jana Arndt. So I haven't personally done a Kay Arthur study, but my sister has, and she really has enjoyed them. I haven't heard of Jana Arndt, but it looks like it'll be a really fun one. Okay, back to first grade for a minute. So I got the complete book of math. I always use this for first grade. I feel like it is perfectly complete for first grade, and it has always served them well to get them ready for second grade math. Okay, next book, Exploring American History. This is the second edition. Very fun. Okay. Oh, here's that other Zahner Blosser that went hiding. Okay, we have The World of Animals. This is by Answers in Genesis, God's Design. We did one of these books about ecosystems, I think in Exploring Countries and Cultures, I think. Yeah, ecosystems. And I like that book, so I think I will like that one. Okay, writing skills for today. This will be for my 6th grader. This is level C. Again, mine's not spiral bound, but it's quite all right. Okay, so it looks like it's set up just the same way they write something. Obviously, it's getting a little longer. I think it's a great writing program. We keep using it. Okay, The Last 500 Years. This is an Usborne World History book. Oh, look at the pictures. It's going to be a fun one. So, that's going to be fun. Okay. Guide to God's Animals. Woo, big tarantula. Not what you want to open up to. Dragonflies. That's going to be really cool. We're getting to the bottom. Okay, so this will be for my preschooler, all aboard the animal train. These are just the student sheets. I have everything else still for that we're finishing up for my 4-year-old right now. So I typically do all aboard the animal train. I start them at 2, and we go super slow, and we work through it until they are 4, and then we do pre-K because I like them to start kindergarten at 5. So because they typically at 2 want to start doing their own curriculum, I start it very slowly with them. And so you will see probably this a little bit, but not a ton. Okay, last things. The placemats. So we've got United States, and then the world map. So we got 2 for my 2 oldest. And that is it. That was super fun. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you're going to be using this year, and if you're using My Father's World, what year are you teaching, or what grade level I should say. And yeah, let me know if you have any questions down below. If you like this video, here are some other videos to go and check out. And I hope to see you at the next video. All right, thanks. Bye-bye.